everybody, welcome back. Hope you all subscribe our channel JIMMEEZ Creative English Vlog. If not, please do subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press bell icon and enable all. I also welcome your like, share and valuable comments. Preparation of an anchoring script for dance performance is a very important task nowadays. Effective anchoring script for dance performance make the event successful and memorable. Here is a small anchoring script for dance performance. Hope it will helpful to you all. Anchoring script for prayer dance. Anchoring script for welcome dance. Anchoring script for classical dance. Anchoring script for solo dance. And anchoring script for group dance. Anchoring scripts for prayer dance. Dance is the form of praising for all the wonders of human life. All on there proclaim the Lord's mighty power. We shall praise Him for His delight presence. We have prayer dance by our little Dahlias. Let's welcome. Comment. Well, what charming steps made this event bright. Anchoring script for welcome dance. A pleasant morning to one and all gathered here. Graceful moment and movement make every step a wonderful coordination to feel the beat. It graces the occasion with cheer and glee. Here we have our dance troupe to welcome you all with welcome dance. Comment. A blend of cosmic touch and charming steps. Congratulations to you all. Anchoring scripts for classical dance. Let's unleash the rainbow of cultural extravaganza by taking melodious song. I request the presence of our friends to perform a heart-breaking classical dance. Let's welcome them. Comment. Wow, what a divine performance. Beautiful. Anchoring script for solo dance. Well, how different is this day? I can feel turbulence around. Dance, I am sure. The atmosphere is electrifying with anticipation. Let's welcome a magic moves on music. I welcome our friend to stage a solo dance. Comment. Of course, the young dancer held everyone captivate. It's really an amazing performance. Anchoring script for group dance. Oh, it seems the heartbeat have gone up and everyone is eager to sing in the depth of dance and melody. It will be presented by our dance troupe. Comment. Yeah, a spectacular display of refined strength and flexibility. Really rocking. Anchoring script conclusion. We have finally arrived at the end of today's program. It was excellent to see how so many of you have participated in this journey. Thank you so much for this assimilation. Let us conclude today's event. Thank you one and all. Dear friends, this is a sample anchoring script. You can use it by making relevant changes on it. Today's session we will wind up. We will be back with our next video. Please do subscribe our channel JIMMEEZ Creative English Vlog. Don't forget to press bell icon and enable all. I also welcome your like, share and valuable comments. I really do appreciate your love and support. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful days ahead. See you on the next video.